What is going on, everyone? We're like 20 minutes away. We're taking a quick pit stop to just enjoy this pretty ass view up here on this mountain. And we are going to Takeover Northwest. I'm ready, we're excited, let's get to it. Wah! I'm hella hyped up for this. I haven't forgotten anything, I don't believe. I believe I have everything. Hey Ethan, what did you forget?
My media vest.
Oh, how ironic. Not the first time in this friend group. Like 20 minutes away. We're taking a quick pit stop to just enjoy this pretty ass view up here on this mountain. We're trying to set up shade right now, but even once we get shade, we just realized we didn't fucking bring any camping chairs, so.
We make chairs out of rock. You can make a nice sofa with some of that stuff.
Bro, give me a hollowed out log before I get rocks. Look at that big pile of rocks. I'm fucking with those. I'm trying to fight it.
Are you ready to get wild tonight?
You sound like my mom on like a Hawaiian vacation going to a luau.
I'll wait right here for you.
You can do it, buddy. Mama loves you.
Alright, you can't do that.
Bet I can't.
I just got you taking a selfie.
What's up? You like that strap too?
Oh, he's sending it.
I felt like I was riding in a Lexus.
I know, that thing was tight. So it's present day now. It's a week after Takeover Northwest. I need to film one more clip. That clip was me just explaining why we went to this little antique store. Like you saw in that one little clip, I said that we didn't bring any camping furniture, like camping chairs or anything. And with the closest McDonald's being like 40 miles away, it's not like there was a Walmart right down the road, you know, that we could go buy some chairs at. So we went into the town. The closest thing to any sort of a place that would have a chair was this antique store. So we all bought antique chairs. Yeah. So there we go. Now you guys understand this little sequence of clips that's about to come up. If you see something you can't live without and it has a price tag, you may buy it. Even if I'm closed, just slide the money and the tag under the door, or you may give it to me in the shop across the street or at the grocery store. Small family or small town stuff. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, we're gonna do all of that. I love this place. This is the coolest little town. You go like this, and then you go like. So do you want to introduce yourself real fast?
I'm Lisa from the Old Morrow Hotel. Come and see us. We got a lot of great treasures.
We just got all of this stuff from her and got a little bit of ghost stories as well. Not really. It is actually a beautiful place down here. She was the one with the sign. She saw us outside. She was closed and she still let us in. And the sunlight right there. That's cool.
Okay.
Well, thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day.
You guys too.
Thank you.
Rooms in the Old Morrow Hotel. Dude, this is wild. I don't know. I don't know about saying the overnight part. That's the second I get scared. I'm a little nervous about ghosts. You'd send it? I don't think you could do a whole night here, Ethan.
Dude, it's like a Bob Ross.
That is a Bob Ross.
Oh, I saw the two B's and I almost did it.
Look at all of it. This is so crazy.
The little girl knew my name.
The little girl knew my name. Thank you so much. So I'm out here in the middle of ORP, Oregon Raceway Park. I'm up in one of their towers right now because nobody's watching this turn, so I am technically with my camera. But we're out in the boonies, man. It's a solid 45-minute walk all the way back to the campsite. It sucks. Like they need like go-karts or something, or we should have brought like a motorcycle. I've seen a couple people on pit bikes and stuff. And this is a good spot because you get them good drift wins. It is windy up here. It's a really cool track. It's really pretty and everything. I wish I could have drove up here, man. It is amazing looking. Other than that though, I mean, it's just been a good weekend so far. So thanks for tuning into the video. I mean, we're not done yet, but let's keep it going. Come dap me up. We can end it like dap cam like Spirit Peaks. Everyone hated the dap cam, so here it goes again, dude. Oh my! I just wanted to show off the car show I got going on at my fucking house.
All these freaking daily drivers.
Ooh. And just like that, Takeover Northwest is completely over. It is Sunday. It is about 8:30. I'm back to working on the van. I have to finish that up before I go to work tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching my video. I wish you guys would have came. If you did not attend Takeover Northwest, make sure to go next year. Comment, say everyone that you're going or you went. If you did go, I'm glad I saw you out there. I had a wonderful time, and this is it. We're done. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Please make sure to like and subscribe.